Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Lightroom on Mac. First, ensure you have the latest version installed via the Creative Cloud desktop application. Once installed, launch Lightroom and begin by importing your photos. You can easily drag and drop entire folders or individual image files directly into the interface. This initial step is crucial for managing your photography workflow efficiently. Now, let's dive into the essential editing adjustments. In the Develop module, you'll find sliders for exposure, contrast, and highlights, allowing precise control over your image's light and dark areas. Don't forget to adjust white balance for accurate colors and use the powerful crop tool to refine your composition. These basic tools provide a strong foundation for enhancing any photograph. Moving beyond global adjustments, Lightroom offers powerful local editing tools. The adjustment brush lets you paint effects onto specific parts of your image, like brightening eyes or darkening a background. The radial filter is perfect for drawing attention to a subject, while the graduated filter excels at balancing exposure between a bright sky and a darker foreground. These tools offer incredible precision. Finally, after perfecting your images, it's time to export and share them. Lightroom provides numerous export options, including popular formats like JPEG for web and TIFF for print. You can specify resolution, quality, and even add watermarks. Whether you're sharing to social media or preparing for print, Lightroom makes it simple to get your photos out into the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.